Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. Denim blazer from Free Assembly. This one has that smaller collar, lapel, tortoise button, it's trouser style pockets, relax through the wrist with the seam detail, and this one is $39. And then they also have this new blazer. So it has the smaller collar, lapel, the one button, exact same cut as the denim option, and it's also $39. New maxi length dresses from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, that little twist detail. It's a stretchy material with the slit. The back is squared with the smocking. Comes in this blue print. There's also purple floral. There's a black floral, and they're going to be $17.98. New high neck dresses from Scoop. These have that rounded collar, sleeveless to relaxed fit. The back has the keyhole in the green floral. We saw this in some other solid options, and then they also brought it back in the black, and they're $34. Also new cropped faux leather jacket from Scoop. It has that oversized collar, full zip, that seam detail drop sleeve with the button on the wrist. There is some gathering. That seam fit through the back in the burgundy, also comes in the black, and these are $39. New mock neck tops from Scoop. These are a lightweight sweater material, sleeveless. It's a relaxed fit with the ribbed bottom in the ivory, also comes in black, and these are $19. New dress from Scoop. It has that plunging V neckline, the puff sleeve detail, also the ruching through the sleeve and the ruching through the bust. It's a relaxed flowy skirt, and then there is a zipper up the back. Comes in the houndstooth, also in solid black, and they're $39. New faux leather bomber from Scoop. This one has that rounded collar, zipper, side pockets, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. It is a shorter fit, and that's what the back looks like, and these are $42. New tie front dress from Scoop. It has that rounded collar with the tie, keyhole, side seam detailing, elastic in the wrist with the little tier, and then it's a smocked waist, tiered skirt. It's nice and flowy in the green. Also comes in that watercolor, and these are $38. New longer length skirt from Scoop. This one has that side button, zipper, side pocket, slit in the front, no pockets in the back, and this one is regularly $26. New silky cami from Scoop. It has the thin strap, that V neckline, flowy, squared in the back in this green print, also in the black with the lace trim, and these are $16. New vest and skirt sets from No Boundaries. So this one has the thicker strap, that scoop neckline, buttons completely lined. The skirt is side zip. It is a little shorter. This is the extra small, so it comes in this brown plaid, the black and white pinstripe. Both pieces are $18.98. New cardigans from Free Assembly. These have that rounded collar. It has the gold buttons. They look like the two front pockets, and that seam fit through the back, and the ivory also comes in the navy and white, and they're going to be $28. New satin skirt from Free Assembly. So this one has the elastic through the back, flat front, it's pleated, flowy, in the blue with that horse print, and then also in the burgundy with the polka dot. We saw this print in a dress option, and the skirts are going to be $26. New denim skirt from Free Assembly. This one has lots of seaming, the side zipper. It's an A-line, the same kind of seaming in the back, and this one is going to be $26. Also new denim front dress from Free Assembly. This one has the smaller collar, full button, seam detailing at the waist, flowy skirt, seam detailing in the back, and this one is regularly $34. New long sleeve tees from Free Assembly. These have the boat neckline. It's a relaxed fit. These are really stretchy, and then it looks like a shorter sleeve. It is relaxed. $14 in the purple with the brown, and then also comes in black and white. New Sofia Vergara slip dress. This one has the thin strap, this little ruche detailing. The material is that textured kind of thicker satin. Flows out a little bit at the bottom, and then it's squared in the back. And this one is regularly $24. And it also comes in the black. New ruched top from Sofia Vergara. This one has the thicker strap, that scoop neckline. It's a seamless kind of like that smoothing material. It does have the built-in pad, seam detailing under the bust, and then ruching on the side, and it's squared in the back. Comes in the fuchsia, also in black, and these are $24. Also new peplum top from Sofia Vergara. This one has that plunging V neckline, drawstring at the waist, a little peplum with the flutter pleated sleeve. Comes in the fuchsia, also in this purple print. How pretty. So those colors. And this one is going to be $24. Also new from Sofia Vergara is this one shoulder top. It has the thicker strap, scoops down. It is that smoothing material. It's lined with this mesh with the ruching on the side. Comes in the leopard, also in black. And these are $16. Also new from Free Assembly is this button-down dress. This one has the smaller collar, full button to the waist, button on the wrist, elastic in the waist with the pleated poplin skirt. Comes in the green, also in the navy, and these are $32. Also new from Free Assembly is this A-line dress. It's a poplin material, has the thicker strap, plunging V, seam at the waist, so flows out with the skirt, and also comes with the belt. Comes in the floral, also in the navy, and they're going to be $34. New sleeveless dress from Time and True. So this one has that V neckline, the little shoulder detailed sleeveless, has the drawstring in the waist with the drop tier. That same kind of fit through the back in the burgundy. Also comes in olive and solid black, and they're going to be $17.98. Also new flutter sleeve dress from Time and True. This one has that ruffling around the neckline, that V with the flutter sleeve, that seam detailing under the bust, nice and flowy. This the gauze material with the drop tier, and this one's also $17.98. New ruched tees from Time and True. These have that scoop neckline, the ruching. It's a longer sleeve. It's flowy through the body. And this one is $9.98. Also new slip skirt from Time and True. This one has the elastic around the back. It's nice and flowy in this floral print. Also comes in the solid black. You can see it has the slit. And these are $16.98. Next look, I'm going to go with these Sneak Peek fall tees. So these are from Positive Tees. They have a crew neckline. They're more of a relaxed fit. This is the small. They have this one. How cute is the pumpkins? And the Peace Love Fall. There's a little rust with a dog mom. Autumn is my favorite color. They have Hello Pumpkins, and then Thankful, Grateful, Blessed, and then Grandma is the Best Life. Grandma Life is the Best Life. I think I'm gonna go with this one. And they're $6.98. Sneak peek dress from Free Assembly. This one has the smaller collar, full buttons all the way down. It is a denim material. It's flutter sleeve, pockets, and then the same fit through the back with all that seam detailing. And these are going to be $34. Another sneak peek item are these button-down shirts from Free Assembly. So these have that smaller collar, button on the wrist, the seam detailed through the sleeve, scoop in the back with the seam going across. In the white, also comes in this blue stripe, and they're $22. Satin cargos from Sofia Vergara. These are, I think they're high rise. They have the 2 pockets, 2 flat pockets, straight through the leg. They're nice and flowy with elastic. So they come in brown. They also come in black. I love pink and brown together, but I think I'm gonna do like the safer pink and black. And these are going to be $24. This bodysuit from Sofia Vergara. So they're pretty fitted. They're fitted through the wrist, also on the body. So if you want a little bit more of a relaxed feel, you could size up. It comes in the tan, the black, and they're going to be $22. I'm gonna go with the Time and True pull-on jeggings. These work really nicely as like a slack, especially if you have the coverage like we're gonna have with the cardigan. But they are pull-on. They have a faux button, faux pockets. They have true pockets on the back. They're $14.98. If you want them to be a little bit more of a relaxed fit, you could size up. And they also come in the camel, burgundy. There's a denim, a gray denim, the green, gray. There's more of a chestnut, and I'm gonna go with the black. Those sweatshirts and sweatpants from Reebok. These have that crew neckline, super soft fleece to relax fit with this logo in the beige and white, burgundy, teal, and black, and they're $25. And then the sweatpants have the elastic waistband, that same soft fleece, true jogger bottom in all of those same colors, and they're also $25. I shared these sweatpants. Now they have the new soft sweatshirts from Athletic Work. So these are that super soft material. It has that drawstring, relaxed fit in the blue, black. There's green, gray. This one is it's the lilac. And they're $15.98. And on this side, they have the new sweatpants. These have that elastic waistband, that true jogger bottom in all of those same colors, and they're also $15.98. New Halloween pajama sets from Way to Celebrate. So these have that crew neckline. It's a relaxed fit, hatchy material, little slit on the side. Pants have that elastic waistband with the jogger style bottom. They have a Nightmare Before Coffee, also this orange with the black cat print, and the two pieces are $14.98. Also new button down tops with the short set from Way to Celebrate. So these are super soft. They have that smaller collar, lapel full button with a little pocket, pull on shorts, and the orange with the little fangs. They also have how cute purple with all of the masks. The light blue with the witch, it's like the pin-up witch. The purple with the black cat, and the two pieces are $16.98. Then they also have this option. Oh wait, no, it's the same one. Where? Oh no, there it is. It's a night shirt from Way to Celebrate with the little socks, and the purple with the black cats, and the two pieces are $11.98. Also seeing a new tee with the shorts, the Ford Bronco. They're $14.98. They also have the Rolling Stones, the Strawberry Fields with the Beatles, and the Hello Kitty. Also new shoulder bag from Time and True. So this one has the adjustable strap, the snap closure, top zipper, this front zipper in the teal, and they're $26.98. And then they also have these new top handle bags. So it has the drawstring, that snap closure, also has the shoulder strap in the purple, black, and brown, and those are $32.98. Bag, I'm gonna do the top handle. No, we could just do this one again. I think it'll be pretty with the green. And these are $26.96. New flat bag from Time and True. So this one has that gold detail. It's a snap. So the inside looks like adjustable shoulder strap. You could also do the top handle, and these are $24.96. Bag, I'm gonna go with one of the sneak peek bags. These remind me a lot of Coach. So they have the top handle shoulder bag, that little buckle detail in the black. There's a red and brown combo, and then also that really pretty teal. And what's the price? I think there's $18.98. And then the similar option in the fabric, and that one's $32.98. Also new totes from Time and True. These have that snap closure, the top handle, and then also the shoulder strap in the brown and black, and they're $32.98. Also new are these shoulder bags from Time and True. So these have that shoulder design, has an adjustable strap in the brown, also comes in the black, and they're $26.94. How cute are these mini backpacks? They remind me a lot of Dooney and Burke with the two-tone. I think it's also supposed to be, can't think of it, my daughter has the bag, but has this snap closure, that drawstring, front zipper in the red with the brown, also black with that print, solid black, and they're $28.96. Also pairing it with this puffy kind of headband from Time and True. These come in pink and black. They're both in a satin material and they're $4.88. New moto boots from Madden Girl. These have that rounded toe, or Madden NYC, the chunky heel, zipper on the inside, and these are $40. It's a good brown tone. And then they also brought back these beige colored Western boots. These have that pointed toe, chunky heel, zipper on the inside, and they're $36. New Chelsea boots from Madden NYC. These have that rounded toe, chunky heel, elastic on the inside, and these are $32. Also new combat boots from Madden NYC. These have that round toe, lace up, the zipper on the inside, and these are also $32. And right next to that, a new loafer from Madden NYC. These have that rounded toe, the oversized hardware, chunky heel in the white, also comes in the black. They both have a sheen, and these are $26. New option in the chunky sneakers from Madden NYC. So now they have this taupe color. They have the rounded toe, lace up, little bit of a platform. They're $35. We saw them in the white with the brown, also the white with the denim. New platform boots from these have the platform chunky heel, zipper on the inside, and they're $24.98. New Mary Janes from Madden NYC. These have that round toe, chunky heel, the buckle detail, and these are $24. They also have a new lug boot from, they have a couple different boot options. I'm really loving these from Time and Show. So sneak peek item, these have the round toe, it's a chunky heel, they are that scrunch style, which is on trend for fall 2024. It has the zipper on the inside. They're $24.98. Oh, I see. So these have the round toe, chunky heel, zipper on the inside. It's a stretchy material, and they are going to be $35. New color in these combat boots from No Boundaries. These have that round toe, the zip up on the inside, lace up through the front. These are $27.98. We saw them in the all black. Now they come in this burgundy. These platform boots also come in the black. Also new from No Boundaries are these heeled boots. So these have that round toe, chunky heel, zipper on the inside, and these are $27.98. And then for shoes, another sneak peek item. So you got, if you watch the shop with me, you're gonna see a couple different things twice. But how cute are these? They're Sherpa trim mules from Time and True. They have the round toe, the buckle. It's what the bottoms look like. These are $19.98. So just 10 or the same price as the style that I've shared before. Shoes, I could go with two options. These little flats from Time and True with the bow. I think these are really cute for the price. They're $12.98. I shared them before. They also come in leopard, black. They have red. And then the ones I think I'm going to go with are these knit flats. So these have a little bit of a pointed toe. They have that little V design. I'm seeing a sneak peek color. They now have them in the back, burgundy, which I think will go. These are $14.98. They also have them in a pink tone. Also seeing new combat style heeled boots. These are from No Boundaries. So they have the buckle, lace up, chunky heel. There is a zipper on the inside. These are $29.98. But I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.